A bird. James, Sophia, and Mark are eating on the ground. The old witch and the raven stand from a long distance with their cravingly face. Do you want to eat all the delicious food? The raven loves it and flies away toward the three children. The old witch is interested in watching and thinking. Afterward, the raven comes back with a short "Skip it! I told you, stealing the food!" The raven flies away one more time. The raven rushes toward to grab a bunch of grapes. The old witch gobs a bunch of grapes. What? This is a very strong bunch of grapes. If you want to eat more, take it more. Sophia, we have to catch the raven. When the raven flies toward the cake, I will use the net to catch it. James, the raven flies back. Pull the cake up. The raven rushes to grab away. It comes back! Let's catch it! Sophia pulls the net off to catch it, but it breaks away. The raven pecks Sophia's head to tease her and flies away. Suddenly, the old witch must wake up and run away. Sophia takes a stone to hit the raven. It makes the raven fall into the ground. The old witch flees to the horizon. Are you okay? Why is this quiet in here?
Oh my god.
Ha ha ha!
Fiddle faddle.
Suck it up.
Yeah. Surprise! Hey! What's up? Oh my gosh! That's crazy. Have a nice day. Uh-huh. Hey. Oh, Clover.
Wow.
How could I miss?
It's the only way.
Help! Oh, Clover. The king gave it to me.
Abracadabra.
This is the movement magic for everything. Great! Wow, great!
Let's make effective.
She is eating candies. Suddenly, she gets a loose tooth. She cries louder and louder. Sophia gives Amber perspective. You should wait, and you look like a grandmother.
Oh, what a lovely tooth! You can put your tooth under your pillow when you sleep.
Amber is running into the class. Yesterday, the tooth fairy gave me a coin. She gets a loose tooth too. Sophia, you should wait. Let's put the teeth under your pillow. Sophia's come back home, then puts her tooth infected and goes to bed. The old witch breaks into her bathroom to steal Sophia's tooth. The red fairy flies into Sophia's bedroom.
Abracadabra. Small.
beautiful. She looks at her, smiles, and flies away.